everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rajni Verma and you are watching Try to Thrive. So today the day number 30 and we are going to learn another new word. But before starting this video, I want to tell you something, and that is, if you don't have anyone to speak with, to practice with, just go and check it out my about section, and there I mention my email and you can mail me. We will decide the particular time to have a great lovely conversation. Okay. Mhm. Now let's start the video. So the word for today is stubborn. Stubborn. Yes, we can use this word as an adjective, which means refusing to change one's plans or decisions. Refusing to change one's plans or decisions. Now in Hindi you can say it's जिद्दी. जो बच्चा बहुत जिद्दी होता है, he is really stubborn. Okay. Now the synonyms of the word: adamant, inflexible, obdurate, obstinate. Adamant, inflexible, obdurate, obstinate. Okay. How we can use this word in a sentence? Okay. So she is wrong, but she is too stubborn to admit it. She is wrong, but she is too stubborn to admit it. Now, write down the second example in the comment box. That is your homework. Okay, we will discuss all the 7 words at the end of the week when I'll come live on Sunday at 9 p.m. Don't forget to join the live and don't forget to share this video with your friends.